Alright, listen up, you pathetic excuse for a DIY enthusiast. This is the GLADOM. Yes, it's just a table. No, it's not a puzzle for Mensa members. It's meant to hold a cup of lukewarm tea, not your entire life's regrets. IKEA even puts warnings on here about delicate items and not sitting on it. Are you really that dumb that they need to tell you not to sit on a side table? Honestly, look at these complex pieces. You've got an Allen key, the only tool you'll need, probably the only tool you own. A couple of screws. Try not to eat them. This isn't rocket science, people. Make sure you have these. If you've already lost them, just close the box and pay someone else to do it. You're not cut out for this. Alright, deep breaths. This is step 1. Grab your Allen key, the little bent metal thing, and one of the longer screws. See that hole? It's literally begging for the screw. Twist it in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I'm telling you this like you're 5 because, frankly, your mechanical aptitude suggests you probably are. Incredible. You've successfully installed one screw. Now, try to replicate that monumental achievement. Find the second screw, find the next hole on the crossbase, and screw it in. If you're struggling, maybe try holding the Allen key the right way up this time. I know, shocking concept. Now, for the dazzling complexity of step 3. Take the circular top ring. See how it has holes that line up with the top of the legs? That's not a coincidence. Place it on there. Don't throw it. Don't use it as a hat. Just place it. Your brain must be overheating from this level of intellectual effort. Now for the smaller screws. 2 of them. Start with 1. Line it up with a hole, then carefully twist it into the frame. Look, it's tightening. Amazing. You're almost there, you magnificent Neanderthal. Just remember, the goal is to make it stable, not to see how many turns your wrist can take. Okay, the final screw for the frame. Install it. Now, pay attention to this critical diagram. A hand breaking a screw. It means don't over-tighten, you moron. This isn't a competition to see who can make the screw disappear into the metal. Just snug. Not Hercules crush the screw tight. Got it? Probably not. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The glorious step 4. Take the tray, the actual tabletop. Gently place it on your masterpiece. That's it. No screws, no Allen key, no more chances for you to embarrass yourself. You've done it. Now go make yourself a participation trophy. You've earned it, I guess.